This is just inspiring. Flipping $25 to $1,100. That's big. That's like I just feel like I just need to hear this guy out. I just need to hear what this guy is saying, and this is big. $25 to 1,100 and something dollars. That's crazy amount of money, and he doesn't even know much about trading. Ah, welcome, Mr. Nelson. So today this is the one of the amazing guy that we have right now. This guy just flipped $25 to $1,100, which is crazy in the forex market. Before you see someone that can do this, bro, that's mad. So, Mr. Nelson, I just want to let you express yourself. Just tell us how you did it. So, uh, first thing I want to be coming from, when did you start forex? Like, how did you know about forex from initial start?
Well, hmm, for you, forest is forest is something that really pick interest. If you ask me when I started, I know for me I can't really say. But when I saw my boss, in which is now my mentor, taking game from it, wow, it really inspired me. So I was like, how are you making money in other currency? And you see that if you see our economy now, you see that wow, other currencies really having great value here. So I decided to pick interest in this forest of a thing. But me knowing about forex now, it was not easy because you have to risk a lot, you have to manage a lot, you have to know this, you have to know that. It was hell of a thing to learn. So if you say what made me pick interest, I would say that it was for my boss. Yeah.
Wow, 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 wow. That's big. The power of your environment, the people that you follow, that's a very big one. Yeah, so that means your boss is the person that helped you, like made you have interest in forest. So which
Yes.
year? Is it this year, 2024, or when did you start it? Like how long have you been in this game?
At first I've been with him for like 3 years now. So it was during 2021, 2022. When I saw him making his money, I was like, wow, what's this? Let me see how he's doing it. So is the way he's doing it, it was motivating. So I decided to pick interest. That 2021, 2022, I said, let me try it. Wow, it was not easy. But he told me that I have to try again, that it doesn't end in one go. You have to do this. If you lose, you come back up, continue. If you fall again, you come back up, you continue. It's not something that if you just fall, you say no, 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 I'm not doing it again. You see, if it's like that, I wouldn't have made this massive gain. So it was 2021 I started it, and I started training myself, making sure that I perfect myself in different ways, knowing different strategies, knowing reading books. Yeah, that reading books help a lot because
Mm.
yes, that reading book help a lot. It's make your mindset to become strong. It's not the one that if you start trading today, you'll be panicking. Once you see that it's not going in your favor, yes, if you start to panic, my brother, you're going down. So for you to be doing forest, you need to have mind. Yeah, you need to be
Wow, wow, wow,
have mind.
wow. Sorry, Mr. Nelson. I just want to put more points. Like I want you to say more thing about the reading book aspect of that thing that you just said. Because so many people that flip these accounts now are like they are newbie in the forex market and they don't read book. I saw one certain guy that flipped crazy amount of money. When I asked him what happened, he says that it was lotto. But you saying you we are reading books. So what type of book, like which type of book were you reading all this while?
Well, if we say I read only 2 books in which was given to me from him. One of them was how to set your mind, how to set your mind up. The other one was different ways to make money. How to set your mind on, it helps that your mind, once you have decided to make something, or once you have decided to put your mind into something, there's no turning back. It's either you put your mind there, anyhow it is, you go with it. Yes. Then second one about making money. Once after raising it, it will make you that this thing you are doing, how will it thing end up? Is it that you're going to have a massive loss or you're going to gain from it? It gives you different ideas. It makes you think front, back, sideways, even 2 steps ahead. So me reading that book now, I got inspired. I said yes. Then I started putting more effort in the strategies. So with it combined, it really helped me a lot.
Okay. So that's big. So how much exactly did you flip to $1,100?
Well, I made this treat on the October 10th, and it started small.
Okay.
At first, I made $13 because I deposited $12 inside.
Wow, $12.
Yes, from $12. I decided to invest on that $12, improving my recipe, my package, and promoting it. So after boosting it from $12 to $25, I was like, let me continue monitoring this trade. So after monitoring it for some time, I saw that the market was still going up. So I decided to start all over again. Yes, I didn't expect much, but as I began studying the market and applying strategies, I managed to grow that $12 to $25. I kept reinvesting and learning alongside the way. And before I knew it, I boosted my account from $25 to 1,100. So it took a lot of patience and discipline, but it paid off in the end.
Wow. So, Mr. Nelson, when you talk about you were learning from the market, you were patient and everything, what time did this thing happen? Like that boost from 25 to $1,100. What time?
I think around then it was by 9 p.m. in the in West African time. It was by 9. I started placing my first trade. I used the lot side, the normal lot side of 0.01. I placed trade like up to 5 or 6 different trades. So me leaving it now, I continue monitoring it. It came up, each of them I was making $10 each. So I decided to add more and increasing the lot size. Me increasing the lot size and it was still going up, it added more gain. If you understand how the trading works, you'll know that if you're having gain, you can still place more trades. In which, if it's still going up in your favor, you still be having more gain. So that is how it is.
Yeah. Actually, that's the power of margin. Yeah, once your margin level is going up, you can still add more. Okay, so how did you when you were trading, when you were adding all those positions, because I saw the trade, I saw the screenshot, I saw how you were adding position. How were you feeling? Like your emotion? How did you become comfortable holding the trade even when it was going in your favor and you are seeing the profit?
Hmm. Well, I use a combination of technical analysis and news trading. So I look at the chart pattern, key level of support and resistance, and use indicators like moving average for news trading. I watch out for the economic announcements that could cause big movements in currency pairs. My focus was mainly on major currency pairs with high liquidity. So Sure, my mind was pretty relaxed because I know that no matter what, it will still be going in my own position. It will still be going in favor of me. It will still be going for a buy. So my mind was really calm.
Okay, Mr. Nelson. So I think this second to the last question that I'm going to ask you. How much did you lose so far before you made that profit?
Well, for me, because of my broker, the minimum amount, I follow the minimum amount, which is $10. So each time I want to start, I do make sure that I deposit $10, or let's say $10 to $11. Yeah. Then after it, I test myself, knowing what I've learned so far, putting the strategies I've learned so far into use. But if it didn't favor me, I come out again, still learn another strategy before placing another payment. So that's how I did it. You just have to do it one at a time. You learn different strategy, then you find the one that is best for you. Anyways, this strategy that I'm using now is what I'm still using, and it's still giving me a lot of money now. Yeah.
Okay, so I know now that you're not with your laptop to show us your chart. So, but in a layman language, what type of strategy do you use? Like, can you explain it just like how someone can understand you, like a newbie can understand you a bit?
Like I said, I use a combination of technique analysis and news trading. Yes.
Okay.
I look at the chart patterns, key levels of support and resistance, and use indicators like moving average, those basic ones. It seems like, well, at that moment, I won't say it's luck because I already know that it was going for a big buy, a strong buy. So at that moment, yes, I put everything I had into it, and
Mm.
it served me really well.
Whoa. So you risk everything, like everything was in.
Well, knowing risk management, you are not allowed to do so because if you do so, you blow your account. But once you know that, yes, this is how it's going to go, even for the next couple of hours, even though for the next coming day, you know that it is still going up very well. Yeah, you can do like that.
Wow.
Once you
Wow.
once you really and you're really sure, yes, you can do like that.
So, Mr. Nelson, which pair were you trading that day that you flipped that account?
Well, I was trading on good. I was trading on good.
Good.
Yeah,
Gold
it has
diggers. Nice.
that's a that's a massive boost that day. Then the next day it was coming down. I didn't trade on it. I don't like trading on sell. It doesn't really favor us much. I always go for the buy. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a big strategy now that you just said now because gold is on a bullish trend now. So anything you are doing like a buy opportunity, you'll be making money. As long as you're waiting for gold to retrace back on a support zone, yeah, on a demand zone, you will still make money. So that's a very great one. So Mr. Nyson, thank you for having you today. So what like a word of motivation can you tell anyone now that is watching this video now that has been losing back to back? What do you have for the person? What can you tell the person, please?
Hmm. Well, if I'm to advise anybody, I'll say start small and take your time to learn. There's no need to rush into big trades yet. Use demo account to practice, understand the markets before you risk real money. Most importantly, develop a strategy and stick to it. Yeah. And always manage your risk. It's better to have a small consistent gain than to blow your accounts with one bad trade. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So the last question, which lot size were you using that day? Which lot size?
I started with 0.01. From
Okay,
0.01, yeah, from 0.01, I moved to 0.03. Yeah. From
nice.
0.03, I moved to 0.05, 0.1. Yeah, until I reached one lot size, one whole lot size. So that one whole size was what gave me a massive gain. That I was able to reach. That I was able to make it more than $8,000.
Nice, Mr. Nelson. Thank you so much for coming on board. Thank you. You now a big boy now. You will go digger now. So thank you for coming on board. God bless you. Appreciate. Thank you so much. So guys, see you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, share the video, so that other person can watch and hear the story about how this guy did that. It was like big. Flipping that account was big. So see you guys in the next video.